What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Bali Bird Park. So, this was a really fun experience for me and my baby. We're going to go ahead and take you guys on a little mini tour of the bird park. It was so nice. So, if you ever decide to come to Bali, Indonesia, make sure you guys check out this beautiful bird park. So this was the first bird that my baby wanted to hold. This one was so pretty. And then this one, his name was Edwin. He was like a cool little dude. I feel like he's like a little simp bird. He was so cool though. His name is Edwin, y'all. Then over here, you have the newly hatched birds on a wall. And then let's keep going. Over here, you have the bathroom if you need to use it. Those were some little birds over there. I feel like these little birds were just cute, just walking around. All right, so over here, these were like our favorite birds in the bird park. Like, just look at how colorful they were. Oh my goodness. You ain't never gonna see this anywhere else. I don't know what the heck this bird was doing. All right, you guys, so this was one of the workers who got the birds so we could take some pictures with the birds. This was a very cool experience. We've never done this before. So the fact that we were able to like take pictures with like 4 birds was insane. So cute. All right, y'all, so after we left that area, you come around, and this spot over here is a spot they have bird shows, but they didn't have one going on around the time that we were there, so it was empty. So you keep on walking. There was like a little bird in there. That bird was pretty cool. All right, over here was the bird theater called Avon Theater. They had gelato over there. It was so good. These are the gelato flavors that they had. Me and my baby decided to get the lemon mint and like the blueberry smurf. And here was the shows that was playing in this theater. We had to put on some shades. You walk in. It was like a little spooky experience in here, I'm not even gonna lie. It was pretty nice. To have like a little mini theater at a bird park is insane. So we decided to sit in the 3rd row. And yes, after that, the movie was beginning. All right, so now let's enjoy the park. I'm about to show you guys so many different birds that we seen. It was crazy. Now this bird right here I thought was pretty cool, the ground hornbill. I can't believe this bird walks around eating lizards. This was very insane. Like, we were very shocked when we seen that. Take a look at what it says about the ground hornbird. Crazy, right? Look how it looks. Oh my God. Here we have the greater flamingo. These flamingos was so cute. They were pink. Oh my God, let's take a moment to look at this bird. Just look at this. I've never seen nothing like this. It was so cool. Let's keep on going. Now this bird was called the Australian pelican. Look how long their pecs was. Super cool, right? Now, this bird right here was called the wreath hornbird. This bird was interesting looking. It was actually really funny because this bird was trying to escape the cage but couldn't. So we thought that was pretty funny. Next up, we have the biggest hornbird in the world. And this is its habitat. It's really big. This was like the biggest cage here in the bird park. There it go at the top. Look at it. It's so cute. Now, this bird right here called the marabou stork, we thought this bird looked like an old bird, like a little grandpa. Over here, they had an egg painting class. This was super cool. I've never seen anything like it. Are you feeling you hot?
Yeah, sweating.
Feeling good?
No, not.
All right, you guys, so over here we have the area where you can eat. This was their little menu. It was so cute. They had water, beer, smoothies, hot coffee, tea, fresh juices, gelato. Let's walk over here. Over here, they had different cakes. It looked pretty good, but me and my baby didn't want to try it. And then here was their gelato. We got some water. It was super, super hot outside. So we decided to just sit down and just chill until we was ready to go. But if you guys like this video, let us know.